Alright, so I have here, trying to get some better lighting, my Bissell, I can't zoom in on this mode, my Bissell PowerForce 71Y7-V. This was manufactured the 281st day of 2012. This is made by Mida. I don't know, I saw from Fan of Vacuum's video, which I suggest you defend Bissell in any kind of way. I mean, Bissell's not a bad company, but this isn't like the better machine. But he says that the motors for these are superior than the Samsung motors, which is bullshit. Samsung ones are actually more superior. But I mean, probably taking it apart, yeah, might be easier, but still, I think if you can service a Samsung one, I think you can service this too. Or if you can service a Chinese PowerForce, you can service a Samsung one, but oh well. So as y'all can see, I'm downstairs. I have a nice rug. I didn't go to school today because of stuff. Nothing COVID related, but just don't bother asking me in the comments because I'm not gonna answer anything. But I'm alive. I'm well. So yeah, as y'all know, the foot lock is broken. The handle release. I bought like one for like a PowerForce bag. It was like a 6594 back in like actually a year ago. Yeah. I mean, this is my baby pretty much. I don't got a 3522 no more, and I don't like the hose on this, as I've said before, because I just have it like this because I don't like the way it looks. But also, I kind of find it bullshit that Bissell only sells these, and they only manufacture these. But on the website for the hose, it's only just a picture of the flex, but when it comes, it's the wire reinforced, and I think that's kind of bullshit in a way. I would say for the looks, for the hose, get the plastic ones, but if you want like an above the floor reach, you know, you just get these. I mean, these are just as good as the plastic hoses, but I just like those better. They just look better. That's my opinion, you know. But maybe one day I might see if I can get a hose to put on this. So anyways, I just decided to test out my PowerForce on the carpeting down here. Yes, I have a Samsung. The lighting isn't very good, so frame rate's not as good. I mean, sometimes it might be good. I'll see if I can edit it with InShot. Hopefully it's better, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm not really concerned. But I do need to probably put a different bag in. Like, I'll show you the bag that's in here real quick. Oh, my foot. Oh, my foot's cramping. There's the bag. Which is not all that full. I mean, it says the change one's like 2/3, but it's not really 2/3 full yet. And this bag's been in here for almost a year. Hang on one second. You don't know how these bag doors are. Oh, yeah. But anyways, it's a real good vacuum, you know. I prefer this and the 1398 over the 1739. And I even prefer the big green over the 1739 because this design's much better. Even though this is the one from China, but it has the better looking version of the PowerForce. So, without further ado, let's fire it up. I'm not demonstrating any of the attachments because y'all don't need to see it. So anyways, let's go. I may need to get a new brush off of this soon. I'm probably annoying my sister, but oh well. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. So yeah, actually performed pretty good. There's nothing really I can complain about it, besides this hose not being the greatest. I mean, it's a good hose. I mean, it's a little better than the plastic hoses, but I just like the way they look. The plastic hoses, they just look better on these, because most of these had that plastic hose, even though it's kind of crappy in ways, but I would say if you need the above the floor reach, go for this. But if you want a perfect looking PowerForce, get the plastic hose. Believe me. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this. I will see you guys in the next video. Maybe someday I'll see if I can run my mom's Dyson ball. See, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.